with bananahobby.com, bringing you guys this time out here. This is the Coota Sea Captain lake plane, water plane basically. Really nice package here, ready to fly. We got this thing out put together here. We're gonna give it a test fly out here on the lake here and see how she handles. This is the Coota Sea Captain. Very nice. You can opt for gears or no gears. I decided to not go with the gears. This thing is sweet, guys. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the water here and give it a test fly. Alright guys,